Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, most beneficent, ever merciful. Good afternoon, dear ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your presence here today. We are gathered to discuss, feel thankful and very grateful that we are very happy to have this opportunity. And in this chance, we will present our research ideas with the title about conflict management. One significant term in conflict management is collaborative conflict resolution. This strategy emphasizes cooperation over competition, where the involved parties strive to find solutions that mutually benefit everyone, rather than prioritizing individual gains. This approach is fundamentally about transforming the conflict into a collaborative process. About a little explanation, collaborative conflict resolution is often distinguished from adversarial negotiation, where the primary aim is to distribute limited resources in a way that may benefit one party at the expense of another. Instead, the collaborative approach seeks to expand the pie and create value through joint efforts and understanding. Essential elements of collaborative conflict resolution include mutual understanding. So parties invest time in understanding each other's needs, interests, and positions, which fosters empathy, of course, empathy, and often reveals such objectives. And the number two, emphasizing interests over positions. This approach encourages parties to move beyond the initial positions to explore their underlying motivations and needs, leading to more sustainable solutions. And the number three, creative problem solving. Creative problem solving by viewing the conflict as a mutual problem. Parties can engage in creative problem solving, developing innovative solutions that offer benefits to all involved. And the number four, objective standards. Decisions are made based on objective criteria rather than power dynamics, which helps ensure fairness and maintain transparency throughout the resolution process. I mean, so this academic perspective, from previous research, more 2014 advocates for collaborative conflict resolution as a means to achieve enduring solutions that not only resolve the immediate conflict but also build stronger relationships. So the variables are interesting. He have highlighted the importance of integrating the needs and interests of all parties through techniques that promote dialogue and understanding. With this simple explanation, from the reference Moore CW 2014, the mediation process, practical strategies for resolving conflict. It's a book. And another journals from previous research, we can talk again in the next meeting. Hope it can be good to have to have more learning enthusiasm to do our research in this term. Thank you very much, and then have wonderful day. Happy learning, happy working, and happy researching. Thank you. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Curahkan segala rasa cinta suci yang tulus di dalam batinku.